Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys how to get this it's very glowy, unintentionally. I didn't realize just how glowy this Do You setting powder from Too Faced is. I'd completely forgotten. It's amazing what you forget in 6 months, huh? So I've done this very neutral, very simple. You can do this pretty much with any neutral palette. I happen to be using the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette for this. But again, any neutral palette that you've got will work perfectly fine. So if you guys want to see what products I used and how I got this extremely dewy, glowy, naturally, simply, I don't know, something nude look, then you are in the right place. Just keep watching.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love. This love ain't yours for the taking. And baby, this heart can't tell what's right or wrong. I know that no love ain't real if something's broken, but I know that we both gotta know it's time to let go. In the end, it's only down to us. There's no love nor love. And I hate that I admit we're at the breaking point. At the breaking point, time to break it. Don't need no violent scars. It's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking point. The breaking point. Face the breaking point. Just get it done. Face the breaking point. This love won't be what it has been, but baby, our love was good before we lost. The little loving that we had in the beginning. And baby, now we know we gotta let go. Don't need to hold on. say so, face the breaking point. And I don't care if I go down with it the way I see it, there's no point. Cause in the end it's only down to us. There's no love nor love, and I don't wanna admit we're at the breaking point. Don't need no violent scar, it's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking point. The breaking point. Face the breaking point. Just get it done. Face the breaking point. Don't need no violent scar, it's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking.
And that's it. So here's the finished look for you guys. So again, 10 times more glowy than I had thought this was going to be. I think my choice in using literally everything glowy except the bronzer backfired a tiny bit. I didn't even use that much highlighter, to be honest. I focused more of the highlighter up, you know, here and my nose. The cheeks is all the blush and the setting powder. So if you didn't already have a need to buy these Hourglass blushes, man, they're amazing. I love them. So that is it for me in this really quick, wonderful summer makeup look. Hopefully we're all on our way out of our houses soon-ish, back on our way to normalcy, so that you guys get a chance to try out this look and wear it. Again, like I said at the beginning, any neutral palette can work to make this look. And again, any nude lip you've got. This just happened to be one of my NYX ones. I tried out another one that was just too pale, but this was the NYX one in Stockholm. Gotta rip the motherland, Sweden. So that is it for me in this video. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, or you enjoy tutorials, check out my tutorials playlist. It'll be listed on the end of my video here for you guys to check out more looks from me. I have a ton of glowy looks if you guys are very into this, as well as some more matte, fall, dark, whole bunch. I've got a whole range of things. And as always, if you guys aren't already, make sure you're subscribed by hitting the button down below and turn on the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss when I upload videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you haven't already, check out my second channel, Kate Gaming. Right now, as I'm filming this video, I am having issues with the game running on my computer, so I'm planning to put up a temporary comment or something somewhere on that channel stating that I'm having issues right now, but I'll be back soon. And in the meantime, go through my channel, check it out. I have a whole bunch of new subscribers. Hello, everybody. And I want to thank you guys so much for the positivity I've been getting on my weight loss journey beginning video. I can tell you so far so good. So that update video in June I think will be going great. So that's it for me. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.